What is functional programming?
The functional programming is a style of coding focused on building software by combining pure functions. Unlike traditional approaches that rely on changing state and variables, functional programming treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions, emphasizing predictability and less side effects.
Pure functions, no surprises.
The pure functions always produce the same output for the same input, and they don't change anything outside themselves. This means no unexpected effects or hidden changes elsewhere in the code, making it easier to understand and test programs.
Immutability, no changing data.
Immutability means data values never change after they're created. Instead of modifying an object, you create a new one. This reduces bugs tied to changing data and leads to safer, more predictable software.
First-class and higher-order functions.
In functional programming, functions are first-class citizens. They can be assigned to variables, passed as arguments, or returned from other functions. Higher-order functions are those that take other functions as input or return them, opening the door to flexible and reusable code patterns.
How functional differs from other paradigms.
Unlike imperative programming, which focuses on sequences of steps and changing states, functional programming avoids shared state and mutable data. This contrast leads to code that's often easier to reason about, maintain, and parallelize, especially in complex or concurrent systems.